How to put parental controls on YouTube TV. You can set parental controls on YouTube TV to limit inappropriate content and manage access for children. YouTube TV doesn't have dedicated parental controls, but provides tools like restricted mode, family sharing, and third-party solutions. Follow these steps. Option 1. Enable restricted mode on a YouTube TV. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, mobile device, or computer. Access settings. Navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner and click Settings. Enable restricted mode, scroll to restricted mode, and toggle it on. This filters out potentially mature content, but it's not 100% foolproof. Option 2. Create a child-friendly profile via family sharing. Set up a family group. Go to Google Family link and set up a family group with your Google account. Add child accounts. Add child accounts to your family group. You'll manage their access to YouTube TV. Restrict content for child profiles. Assign child-friendly content settings, such as limiting purchases or disabling inappropriate channels. Switch to the child profile. Log into YouTube TV with the child's profile to enforce restrictions. Option 3. Block specific channels. Identify channels. Make a list of channels you don't want children to watch. Customize favorites. Customize the Live Guide under Settings Live Guide to hide unwanted channels. Set rules. Instruct children to watch only pre-approved channels or shows. Option 4. Use third-party parental control tools. Set up router-based controls. Configure your Wi-Fi router to block specific websites like youtube.com or restrict device access during certain hours. Install third-party apps. Use parental control apps like Bark, Custodio, or Circle to manage YouTube TV access. Option 5. Monitor and educate. Review viewing history. Check YouTube TV's history section to review what your child has been watching. Discuss viewing habits. Educate children about responsible viewing and agree on appropriate content guidelines. By using these methods, you can effectively implement parental controls on YouTube TV and ensure a safer viewing experience for your children.